Meet the new Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. This phone brings premium features to India, offering a blend of high quality and mid-range pricing. You get premium quality and pay a mid-range price. The Galaxy A36 5G delivers an exceptional experience without the premium cost. The phone features the slimmest design yet for a Galaxy A phone at only 7.4 millimeters thick. The new floating camera design looks modern and sleek. The screen offers a massive view with its FHD Super AMOLED display. The slim body fits comfortably in your hand. The Super AMOLED screen displays vivid colors. Vision Booster helps fight bright sunlight, offering 120 Hz refresh rate and 1900 nits brightness. Capture stunning photos with the versatile camera system. The 50 megapixels main camera takes steady shots with OIS, alongside an 8 megapixels wide and 5 megapixels macro camera. The 12 megapixels front camera takes great selfies. Galaxy AI powers this phone, offering awesome intelligence features like Gemini Live and Object Eraser. You can also use Circle to Search to instantly look up objects in your images. The Snapdragon processor runs apps fast, and the larger vapor chamber efficiently cools the phone, ensuring smooth performance. The 5000 mAh battery lasts all day. The 45W charger can fill half the battery in just 30 minutes. The phone is built to last with IP67 water and dust resistance. Samsung updates the software for 6 years, guaranteeing longevity. The 128GB model costs 29,999 rupees. The 256GB model is 32,999 rupees. And the 12GB RAM model is 36,999 rupees. Bank offers save you 2,000 rupees extra. The Galaxy A36 5G offers ultimate value. The screen looks beautiful, the battery lasts long, and AI improves your daily life.